Hi, Fernand Raymond here. I want to show you the 50 IPs up to plan went live on the SeekaHost blog hosting control panel, and you can see more and more pages packages are getting added up. But however, right now there are up to 50 IP packages available if anybody want to get started and test drive. And I'll be using some of my PBNs are hosted, so I'm hosting one by one, putting up blogs. So these are my blogs. So if you've seen this, you can of course type those blogs and check it out, how they've been loading, all those kind of things. And these blogs are live. You can try it out. And let me show you some of the blogs. So these are live. These are all live PBNs available, and you can test drive. See, this is the blog hosting I'm using. I mean, they're used on multiple IP addresses. This is real hosting hosted on A class, B class, C class IP addresses, and these are some of the blogs. So at the moment, up to 50 IP packages went live, and guys are working on putting up more packages. So it's going to go through on that one. And if you're seeing this video already before our launch date, you can reach out to me by sending an email to fernando@seekahost.co and ask a call back or a session if you're one of our clients. If you want to trial this, just do some of those hosting, you can let me know. So this is available. That's the quick news I want to announce. That's what is coming. And the blog hosting is going to be available, WordPress hosting, which are going to be the high-end packages without the IP ranges. So in the blog hosting and the WordPress hosting versions, they're going to be more cheaper, and you'll have more space, and you will not be getting this multiple IP version. But if you plan to build private blog networks, your best choice is to get started with the PBN hosting plans and start building and scaling it. So that's what I want to pretty much cover up on this video. These are some of those blogs. You can say bloggers hyphen the exchange.org. So these blogs are live and nicely running. These are my actual blogs. These are blogs that I'm using to. So let me show you some of the blogs. So you see entrepreneurs tool click, this blog is there, and if I go to Google, it's already actually even ranking for keywords like best PBN hosting. So one of our good terms soon should be hitting to number one. And so it's already ranking. So this is the blog which is already ranking over there, and that's even hosted on the thing Hosting Joe and I Do Business, good Google News approved websites. They're hosted. These PBNs are hosted. The Green Living blog is a pretty good one. So you can live test it, the performance, all those things. So the packages are available. More and more packages are getting added up. And as we're building and updating our blog hosting control panel. So if you have any questions, you can always ask on our live chat support, or if you're one of our customers, you can send me an email as to any questions you have, because you're probably using the manual option, which you should be using, because if you already hosted with the SeekaHost.com PBN hosting packages, be there if they're nicely running. But this one is built for some of the clients who will be asking easy managers and also new customers as they are coming. We want to give them a easy solution that they can at their own domain delete their domains and things like that. But if you've already been hosting with the SeekaHost PBN hosting and been happy, I would really recommend you hosting and following up that thing. But this is a solution that I've been using, and this is something that I wanted. And some of our closest clients, SEO consultants, my friends in London, they wanted actually this blog hosting control panel to host their PBNs, WordPress sites, blogging sites, and also the other thing. I have the money site analytics option, where I actually check the Google Analytics and clicky data. This is something I'm still in the updating this one, but at the moment the clicky and the Google Analytics part really gives me the data. You see the today's data. I'll see yesterday how many traffic came, what are the pages that got the traffic. So all this data I'll get from this money site analytics. This is the first thing I use before getting in calls with my team for remarketing ads. So these are available in the blog hosting control panel. You can read more details about, if you Google blog hosting control panel on the Google ranking number one of the articles I wrote, and you can see more details. And this is what coming for the WordPress hosting PBN hosting community, and this is going to be pretty interesting. And I look forward to helping with all that things for PBN hosting. So thanks for listening. Signing off, and I'm Raymond right now at SeekaHost.